to our today's recipe. I'm so happy that you are here. So before we continue, please do subscribe. Do me that favor. So today we're going to make liver and beetroot rice. See you up to the end. Now we're going to start with the ingredients. These are the ingredients that we're going to use today. We have onions. This is ground ginger and garlic. This beetroot. Then we have it's not an ingredient. We have tomatoes. We have green capsicum. We have our spices. We're going to use cumin, but you can use as much spices as you can. But because we're going natural, we're using natural cumin. We're going to have cooking oil, that's salt, our main ingredients, rice, and then liver. So we will first start by chopping the liver. I've not chopped it or rather sliced it because there is an important thing I want to tell you about liver. You hear people saying that when I eat liver, it remains in the mouth, you start chewing like a chewing gum. The reason for that is because liver contains a membrane. This one. This is the membrane. This is the chewing gum that people talk about on liver. It is the one that makes you, and this is unnecessary in the liver. So once you get your liver, first remove the membrane, and it's very easy. Very easy. You just need to use your knife. It peels out very easily, actually, as you can see. So we're going to peel all the membrane. That our liver does not have the chewing gum or the thing that remains when you after eating. And then when you remove this one, by the way, it cooks very, very fast. We have already chopped our liver after removing the membrane. So you go to cooking. First, you light up your gas. You wait for the sufuria to heat up. You wait for the sufuria to heat up. As you know that the ratio of rice is 2 to 1. 1 is to 2. Yeah, 1 is to 2. So you add oil to our sufuria. Then wait for the oil to heat up. Meanwhile, this one, because I'm not adding anything, you just go in now with your rice. Then it's 1 cup, so you add 2 cups of water. You don't have to boil water. You put them at once. Because after all it will boil, so you don't have to boil your water first. So there you go. And now as our oil has heated up, you add our onions. We are cooking them at the same time, but you can cook them separately depending on your cooker. So you reduce the heat for the onions to cook up. So in our rice we must add salt. 1 teaspoon of salt, it's enough. Or salt to taste, that is. It depends with your. Yep. Then you reduce the heat for the rice to cook up. Cooking our onions till they brown. I will add some oil because of reasons that you shall come to know later. We have more oil on our onions. So wait for them till they start to brown. So our onions, as you can see, they have started to brown up. So we're going to have to get some of the onions and some oil. just like. Then at this time, that's when we put in our ginger, because ginger and garlic, they cook very fast. At this time, you put your cumin. This one is enough. Cumin. You can see they are browning up together, and the aroma is, oh my god. You put in salt. Okay, so you can see everything has kind of cooked up. So it's at this time now that our liver comes in. Put in your liver. Then stir it up. Remember, we are medium heat. Otherwise, if you put a lot of heat, high heat, it will burn. So there is our liver. Now we add in our coriander. Not coriander, sorry. Capsicum. We add in our capsicum. After adding capsicum, we stir it up. Medium heat, remember. We don't want things here to overcook. After adding capsicum, now that's when you add in your tomatoes. And then you stir them up. So we'll I also add pepper, but this is optional, by the way. You don't have to just cut the pepper the way I'm cutting it, that way, and then you put it as wood. And you have washed it. Put the lid on and then leave it for like 5 minutes. Yeah, so you shall be back. Medium heat, remember. Or rather, not medium, low heat. Low heat. Let them cook under low heat. So we are back. We are back after 5 minutes. So you open up. You can see it's boiling up. So you can stir. The tomatoes have already cooked, and that's why we cut them in small pieces. Cut your tomatoes in small pieces that they can cook well. In liver, you don't add water. Itself, it has some water. The tomatoes too have some water, so you don't have to add water. We don't have liver soup. So after stirring up, my rice is misbehaving. After stirring it up for some minutes, you have to test whether the salt, the spices, yeah, super. So everything now is well cooked. Our liver is ready. Just 5 minutes. And to test whether your liver is ready, you can take a small piece. You can take a small piece and test. Before even you put in your mouth, you put in your mouth, you can test with a knife. When you cut it into two. When you look inside, it is not the way it was when it was raw. Then you can test it in your mouth. Our liver is ready. Switch off. So our liver is ready. We'll go to our rice. So you divide your rice into 2. So here, the small part that is remaining, so you put in the onions, the midst. You can add as many onions as you can, depending on your like. So you put on the other half on top of it. You see, our rice is almost ready. Even it's only that it has not dried up. So you put in, and it's at this time that our beetroot comes in. So that's our rice. You add a very low heat, low heat. Give it some minutes to simmer. So that our food can be balanced diet, we're going to make pineapple juice. This is just a by the way bit thing. So you're going to need apples and pineapple. Apples are just optional, but they go well. So we use our juicer. This is just a by the way. So, by the way, this manual juicer, it works miracles. Unlike the other electric juicers that you have to, if you mess up, it is going to burn. The manual juicer is very fast and works almost the same with the electric one. So I prefer the manual. Our beetroot rice and liver is ready, and the pineapple juice, you can see vegetables. So these are purely balanced diet: starch, proteins, vegetables, and then fruits. With Mukusho, you eat healthy, you stay safe. So don't forget to subscribe so that you can't miss this and more to come. There are more to come and better. So stay tuned, and thanks for watching.